In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit in Pepperstone. To get started, head to the Pepperstone website and sign in to your secure client area. This is your main funding portal, and all deposits are handled here, not inside the trading platforms. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. If your account verification isn't complete yet, make sure to finish your KYC because funding options only appear for verified accounts. From your dashboard, look for the Funds menu. Click it, then choose Add Funds or Deposit. This will open the deposit page where all available payment methods for your region are shown. If you manage multiple live accounts, you'll also be able to choose which one you want to fund here. Now pick your preferred payment method. Common options include Visa or MasterCard, PayPal, Skrill or Neteller, Apple Pay or Google Pay, bank transfer, and in some regions, crypto. Availability varies by country and account setup. As a general tip, cards and e-wallets tend to be the fastest, while bank transfers are often best for larger amounts, but can take longer to clear. Next, enter your deposit details. Select the specific trading account you want to fund. MT4, MT5, or C-Trader, type in the amount, and choose the currency. The typical minimum for cards and e-wallets is around $10, but your bank or provider might have its own limits. To reduce conversion costs, try to fund in the same currency as your trading account. If you use a different currency, a conversion will apply. Go ahead and complete the payment by following the on-screen prompts. You may be asked for a one-time password, 3D secure verification, or a bank approval in your app. Confirm the transaction and wait for the success message. Processing times vary. Cards, PayPal, and most e-wallets are usually instant, while bank transfers can take 1 to 2 business days depending on your bank and location. If you're wiring funds, include the exact reference provided in the portal so they're routed to the right account. After submitting, open MT4, MT5, or C-Trader and check the balance of the account you funded. For instant methods, the balance should update shortly. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the platform or log out and back in. You can also review the transaction status in your client area. A few important rules to remember. Deposits must come from an account in your own name. Third-party payments aren't allowed. Ensure your account is fully verified before funding. Pepperstone typically doesn't charge deposit fees, but your bank or payment provider may. If you're testing a new method, a small trial deposit is a smart way to confirm everything works smoothly.